Hello YouTube, good morning and welcome back to the channel. This is Nikhil Jain. So bike set हो चुका है completely, ready for the next ride. By the way, this is the new top box, orange candy one. As you guys can see, I still need to be set it up. अभी हम जाएंगे ऊपर, gear up करेंगे, निकलेंगे. Because with all of the motorcycle gears and the helmet, it really gets difficult to tie all these things. By the way, we are heading to Daman today. 350 kilometers, 5 to 6 hours, because plain amazing highways. You guys will see soon. Let's go, let's get geared up and let's get going. So all set. Time is 6 a.m. and let's go.
Come follow me to a secret place where only the moon can see. Beyond the shores, there is something more, just waiting for you and me. I see that you're yearning for something more. I feel the waves around me shaking me to my core. I can get...
So total 2 of us from Pune, and some will be joining tonight and some tomorrow. That's how this plan is. The weather looks really bad. Has been raining. Beginner. So stopped here for a quick break. How was the food?
It's good.
That's Abdul. We are riding together. This is the place called Swaraj. Really amazing food. Do check it out.
There is something more, just waiting for you and me. I see that you're yearning for something more. I feel the waves around me shaking me to my core. I can give to you everything you need. We can live on the water. Oh, there's something right about tonight. I come alive inside your eyes.
This one's an unusual break. So hot here in Mumbai, and that too on 1st of November. Really sad. So just rehydrating over here. Stop for like 5 minutes. Now getting back. Way too hot Mumbai. So we are stopping way too tired and dehydrated. चाय पिएंगे, पानी पिएंगे और आगे बढ़ेंगे. So around 110 kilometers more to go. Highways are going to be this good, the restaurant people said. Should be there by around 2:30 I guess. उधर लगाते हैं इधर. चले? So we finally reached Daman around 3 o'clock. Checked into this place called Sridan. Check this out. Really amazing room, amazing hospitality, amazing service, and really cheap price. So do check this out.